Hello, Noble Knitter, it's Nancy Queen, and today I'm going to show you how to knit the Twisted Stockinette Stitch. It's an easy to knit pattern um, that's a lot of fun and interesting to work on, so let's dive right in. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell to get notified every time I post. For this project, I'm using a very vibrant shade of pink in Universal Yarns Deluxe Bulky Superwash, a pair of size 11 knitting needles, and I'll provide links to both items in the description below. You can cast on any number of stitches to make your swatch. I'm going to cast on 19 stitches, and I'm using the long tail cast on method. I'll start by leaving a long tail and then making a slip knot. Then I'll place that slip knot on the needle and start my cast on. If you'd like to see my full tutorial on how to do a long tail cast on, you can click on the link above. Row 1 is a knit row, but rather than knitting in the front of the stitch, we are going to knit in the back of each stitch. So I'm going to go in the back of the stitch and then knit that stitch. And I'm just going to keep repeating this across the row until all of the stitches have been knitted through the back. It's called through the back loop. For row 2, I'm just going to purl all of the stitches across the row. Nothing fancy, go into the stitch the way you normally would and just purl. You'll keep repeating rows 1 and 2 until it gets to the desired length. But let's take a look at it. Look at these kind of wonky stitches that almost zigzag up the column. I love the interesting twist it gives to the stockinette stitch. I produce a new stitch video every Sunday, so be sure you're subscribed to the channel and click the bell to get notified every time I post. Now click the link to see what YouTube recommends you watch next. I'll see you in the next video.